Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this eye look for you guys with the very necessary palette from Milani, and it was personally designed by Salt and Peppa. If you don't know who Salt and Peppa are, you don't need night cream. If you do, it's time for some night cream because they are like OG women rappers from my era. So my best friend Olivia got this for me for Christmas, and I was so excited to play with it. I did an eyeshadow look and then posted it on my Instagram, but today I wanted to play with the palette that looks like a CD, which is so cool, and just create an eye look. So it's definitely a very pigmented palette, and you do get fallout, but I feel like if you are doing like a New Year's Eve look, like party glam, you don't care if there's glitter. I don't know, it just like goes with the ambiance of the look. Anyways, so I went through and used a few of the colors. I swatched a few of the colors in another video, so maybe I'll just link that video, and I will definitely be playing with this some more and creating a different look. So yeah, I did a voiceover for this just because there's some background noise going on, but got some really good lighting today, and it is freezing out. It is like minus 35 degrees Celsius, so I thought it was a perfect day to just hang out and play with some makeup. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eye look using the very necessary Salt and Peppa Milani eyeshadow palette, then just keep watching. I'm going to do my best trying to explain this. So first I'm going in with my Milani bronzer to create a little bit of a crease and just add some neutral color into the eye because this whole palette is just bright foiled colors. I wanted to just have a little bit of structure and depth first, so I'm just dragging it down the sides of my nose a little bit, just to create a smooth transition and just contour my nose slightly. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend it through the top of my brow bone for my deep set eyes, and then I will move on to one of the colors. So the first color I'm going to start with is this deep navy blue color. It's almost looks black in the pan, and I'm just going to use my pointed brush. I love using just a pointed tipped brush when I'm using dark colors because it just gives me more precision, and you're able just to place these deep colors where you want them a little bit better. So I'm just going right on the edge of my brow bone and just creating a little V on the outer corner. And this color blends in really nicely with the bronzer from Milani. So I'm just creating a slight winged look with this deep dark navy blue color. I wanted to create more of like a precision line, I guess you would say, along that part of my brow bone. So I didn't really blend the blue out too much. I just followed the natural shape of my eye and just slightly buffed it with this pointed brush. Now I'm just going in again with my Milani bronzer just to smooth out any kind of patchiness that might be there, using the cooler colors, the more cool tones. Sometimes cool dark tones get a little bit patchy, so I just want to smooth it through with the Milani bronzer and just add a little bit more depth to my brow bone. This bronzer works really well with cooler tone eyeshadows just to help you blend them through a little bit. Okay, I guess I want to create some more depth, so I'm going in again with the navy blue. I guess I want to bring in some of that blue color back. So I'm going in again and just, I guess I'm going to go up a little bit higher on the brow bone, still keeping that line of definition, but just blending it through a little bit more. Okay, I see what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to just bring this corner of my eye down a little bit because my eyes are irregular shaped. I just want to get a more even look on the lid, so I'm just filling in the bright spot in the corner that's a little bit bigger on one side than the other. I can't get over how pretty this palette is, and I love that it looks like a CD. I just think that's just so cute. So which shade am I going to dip into? Okay, I'm going into the more, it's foiled and it's like silver, but it's like a gunmetal gray as well, with a little bit of gold, more of like a cooler gunmetal gray. And I love this look. I just would have ended it right then and there, right here. I think this would be like a stunning look for a night out whenever we get to go out again and around Christmas time. Like, this just would look so good. I love the way it looked. I love the way it looked with my blue eyes. I totally would have stopped here, but I wanted to use more shades in the palette. All right, now I'm going in with the lightest color in the palette, which these shades have names. I should have been telling you the names. So this shade is Somebody's Getting on My Nerves. And I'm just going into the inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit. And the gray color is No One Does It Better. These are all songs from Salt and Peppa, so YouTube them and listen to them. All right, now I'm going into what shade is that? It's like it's more of like an orangish gold color, and that is Big Shot. Mr. Big Shot, who do you think you are? Just to add some more tones in there. What shade? Okay, now I'm going with the green right on. I'm using more colors in here. And Summertime Man is that one. So I am just creating a multi-dimensional look right now, but all of these shades are stunning. And what is the darkest shade? So the navy blue shade was Whatta Man, and one of their best songs. Okay, I'm going in with my Milani bronzer again. I guess I am just wanting to really blend this through, and I think that it looks a lot better when I do. So I'm blending these shades through a little bit. I may have dragged them up a little bit on to my brow bone, and that's why I just kind of want to blend them through. I'm showing you there's a little bit of fallout, but I am fine with that. This is the final look. I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do an Instagram reel just so I can use a Salt and Peppa song with this palette.